Addressing where Matt was, Anna told viewers, "Matt's on a charity bike ride cycling 100 miles, I'd definitely rather him than me doing that, he's about an hour into the ride." Dialing into the show on his journey, the 49-year-old spoke to Anna and today's guests as the stand-in host joked she was delighted not to be seeing his face. Speaking about the cycle so far, he said, "We're 10 miles in, I think the other 90 are going to be the hardest, quite frankly. The sciatica is kicking in nicely, so pills and optimism are going to be the way forward, I think. But, thanks for holding the fort, Anna." Saying it was a pleasure to fill in, the Saturday Kitchen host asked Matt whether or not he's fueled himself up enough to last the rest of his journey. He replied, "I've had jelly babies, bananas, muesli, a huge carb-loaded dinner last night. I'm all good, don't worry about me, but make sure they look after you there, Anna." She added, "As per usual, everybody is just on their A-game over here." Ending the call, Matt confessed that once the race was over he'll be treating himself to some beers and burgers to celebrate. Matt is currently taking part in the RAF Association's annual cycling event, which takes place on the grounds of Kindru Barracks. Sharing a snap on his social media before the cycle on Saturday morning, Matt thanked all of those who have donated so far as he revealed he was humbled by the support. Don't miss. BBC sparks outrage over intrusive and voyeuristic Nottingham Vigil coverage. BBC, Love Island fans blast unfair dumping as Islanders didn't get screen time. Love Island, Richard Hammond defends authentic Clarkson's farm after disappointing update. Video, although Matt's absence was missed, viewers were thrilled to see Anna take over as they took to social media to share their delight to see her hold down the fort. Twitter user @women_food_wifi commented, "Always loving when Anna is on at Saturday Kitchen, #Saturday Kitchen, yes it's on earlier today, so far she's doing a very able job of standing in for @Matt_Tebbutt. Looking forward to seeing what @Chef_Chantel will be making later." @WineWithFood_ added, "Just getting the coffee brewing. Anna always does a great job presenting. See you soon." @MadeChelsea tweeted, "Yay, we like Anna." @PaulArt66705789 said, "Anna's cool and Theo. Now yes, always worth a watch." @Sue Steplin commented, "What a lineup. Glad it's my Saturday off." With @Sci-Fi_Caroline adding, "Love Anna, she is such a natural standing in for @Matt_Tebbutt." Saturday Kitchen continues Saturdays on BBC One from 9:30 a.m.